Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through how I usually do decking for my ship models. This Will Everard is a great example because its deck is a mix of metal and wood. Let's start with the metal deck section. I keep it simple. I just paint it with acrylic paint. I went with metal grade, but you can use any color that fits your model. I usually apply 3 to 4 coats, making sure each one dries properly before adding the next. Once the paint is fully dry, it's time to mark the wooden deck guidelines. I carefully follow the ship's plans, making sure the lines are neat and properly aligned. Now comes to the fun part, attaching the deck pieces to the frame. I use wood glue and then secure everything with elastic bands or weights to make sure the pieces bound snugly to the frame. Next, we move on to the wooden deck section. Before cutting the pieces to the right length, I give them a quick sanding to remove any imperfections. Then I measure, cut, and start laying them down piece by piece, starting from the center. Using the center line as a guide keeps everything aligned. To mimic caulking between each wooden plank, I use black sewing thread glued with the diluted wood glue. But you can get creative. A thin, dark fishing line works too. And if you really want a challenge, you can make the entire deck out of wood using the same technique. Just do not forget to include planking butt shifts for an authentic look. A mixed metal and wood deck gives the best of both worlds. The metal adds strength and durability, while the wood brings a classic look, better grip, and stay cooler underfoot. Plus, it helps balance the boat's weight and make maintenance easier. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this decking process. Let me know in the comments how you do your decks. I will see you in the next video.